Hi friends, this is Gail O'Neill, and I teach stamping. I hope you enjoy.
Well, hello. So I'm almost set up. I'm testing my equipment tonight and figured I would show you my goodies. Hi, Dawn. Hi, Debbie. So I'm going to start out with some of the single sets, and I did get a lot of sets. So let's see my lighting, if I can move it a little bit. That's better. So beautiful moments, and this is so sketchy and beautiful. I can't wait to color it and do some scenes behind it. It's going to be fun. Match it with that other set that I'd already gotten. Now this is, and this one was red rubber, so it's cling. Here's another cling set, and this is a background. And I do never mount my backgrounds. I just kind of lay them here in my case. But this is going to be really fun to color, even to just do one of the flowers or maybe two of the flowers and leave the rest. I'm going to have a lot of fun with that. Label me bold. Look how great this is. Some little background stuff. Hi, Robin. Hi, Jacqueline. Hi, Kathy. Wendy. Hi, Wendy. So I had to get this just for these little sentiments. Yeah, I had to get everything I got. I did. Do the impossible. So again, courage, believe you can, let's go. This is going to go with a couple sets that are in the full catalog. So it's going to be fun. You know how I love to mix and match. So I'll be doing a lot of mixing and matching. Sorry, I'm bending over to the floor to get the sets. Seriously, the best. Now this one is part of a kit. Let me see if I can find it. Oh. Okay, so it's seriously the best. And there's a project kit, which I didn't get yet. But I can see maybe having a class here. I've already got a couple people lined up, so I'm very excited. And my first class will be sometime in January. So I am excited about that. But this will make a good class with the project kit. And it has a pretty box that goes with it and the cards and then the set. But I had to get this just for these big greetings. Love, love, love. And then this is, let me see if any of them were celebration. No. So this is a celebration set that you can earn for free with a $50 order in January. And don't forget, if you don't have a catalog, I already have a lot of people that will automatically get it because they let me know that they wanted one or they are a customer. But if you're, hi Victoria, Ivy, but if they're, and Linda, but if you're looking to have a catalog and you don't have a demonstrator, let me know and I will get one to you because I did forget to order some, but my order's going in tomorrow for the catalogs. So I will have them to send out in time. So this has some great sayings and you can earn that for free with that $50 order. Here's another celebration set that you can earn for free. And this is really going to be fun coloring that. And then maybe making a table and I've been having fun with that. By the dock. Did this one have, I don't know, I might have just ordered the set. I'm thinking that this one had dies that go with it, but I could be wrong. So I'm just going to look through the catalog real fast and see if I can find it. Interesting. Why I'm thinking that, I don't know. I don't know. I should, but I don't. But the catalog is just so new. Oh, I do have a lot from it already. I'll be playing. And like I said, I am almost, yes, Dockside Dies. Well, that'll be on my order tomorrow. So I missed out on the 10% because I, for some reason, only ordered, I guess. I'll check my order. Maybe it's on their end, not mine. But how fun is that? How fun is that? Let's see, what else is in the magic box? Pedal to the Metal. This is going to be a really great guy set, little boy set. And it doesn't say happy birthday, but this is a happy birthday set. That's going to be fun. And then this one, look how cute. Look how cute they are. So you can stamp the color into it, or you can color them and give them more dimension, which you know that's what I'm going to do. But I'll show you each way. Same thing with the balloons. You can either color it or stamp that in the center, make it easy. Flowers. That's a fun set. And then Little Ladybug, which is a celebration host set. So this is just for people who host a party, and you can always be your own host with your order of 150, or get a couple friends together and order. But look how cute these little ladybugs are. They're going to be fun too, and that flower. So that's some of those. And then So Sentimental, sending healing hugs. This calls for confetti, wishing you much happiness today and always. Your friendship is a blessing. I can't thank you enough. For you, to, from, and hello, baby. So this is a bundle. Let's open it up. This part goes directly in the garbage. And then look at these stitched dies. Are these not amazing? So you can do layers, you can do frames. Then you've got these different stitched dies that will, like that one goes for that. This one could be that one or that one. And then the smaller one. Oh, and for the little, look at that, for the to, from. My fingers hurt from all the stuff I've been doing. You see the bruises on my husband's arm. So the for you looks better with that one. Hello baby fits cute in that. But, and this one I think also, no, maybe not so much with a frame. Maybe. These are like different shapes. But this, oh my goodness, that's going to be fun. So tomorrow I'm going to stamp a little bit. But Sunday I'm going to be live. You know my motto. I don't know what, but it's going to be something. And I'm going right to all this new stuff, because I really believe that people have their Christmas cards done. I mean, if you don't, you can sure order, but oh, the fingers. Hi, Ivy. Big boy set. That's right, Sue. Hi, Carol. So this one, Last a Lifetime. This is also a bundle. Whoop, there goes my pile. Look at these dies. So you can do a frame, like a partial frame, and then put this one, let's see what I got. I pulled this out because the next one is a punch. Say you did that, and then you had that, and then you're saying, I'm not sure how exactly it's going to look when it's cut out, but I think this is going to be something special. And then it's got the little one for a little corner. This is like so cool. Goes that way. Just that by itself, without that. Oh, so much to do with it. So let me, and all these sayings, sending you our very best wishes to the new Mr. and Mrs. Congratulations. Also red rubber cling set. I'll just throw this aside. And I'm trying to unpack with a purpose. Like a lot of stuff just got like shoved into boxes. So I'm really trying to put things in a place. And I think I've changed my working area around pretty well, that it's going to work better. But this bundle, and it's actually called, maybe it's called Beautifully Braided. Let's see. Where is it? I can't believe I didn't get the docs. Crazy, crazy. Now I can't find it. Yep. Beautifully Braided bundle. So this punch, and let's see. So and then you can line it up on there. Am I in frame? Probably not. I have to get used to doing lives again. It feels like forever. And it's been forever since I colored, and I can't wait. But look at that. That's going to be pretty. There was one card in the catalog, which I can't show you, where they layered, I think, 4 braids and then put the flowers on top. It's just beautiful. So that's a very fun punch. Very fun. And this, you can either stamp it in there or color it. I'll more than likely color it. And then this is clear. And then, of course, the braid. I have to let my little pup out. Hold on. She's looking to get out of the room. Go on. This way. The door's on this side, silly. You can't get that way. Go on. Over here. Over here. No, go out. Oh, I posted a picture today of her looking out the window because we had a vulture in the yard, which was like a size and a half bigger than her. So then the only other couple things I ordered, I got this, and I forget which it went with, but baker's twine and sequins. I thought I could use that with a bunch of stuff. And the sequence, if you can see it, is like it's got these little lines in it. So they're like two-toned. Is it showing? Maybe not. Maybe I should take it out of here. I'm hoping that my Wi-Fi is better here. I love the metallic twine. Like you can see all that in there. And the blue. It's going to be fun. There it is. I think that's clearer, maybe. I don't know if it, yep, there it is. So that's fun, different. Okay, and then this is also a celebration. I did not get the bee set yet, but I got this. So this is also a free item, but this paper is beautiful. So on that side, it's got the black and white stripes. Isn't that nice? The gold. And then this side, and you could even color in some of that. And then this one is that way. So the black and white gives you a lot of options also, that like away from the bee set. And you can throw in a little color into the bees there also. This is similar to one we had that I did a lot of birthday things with it. And the other side is flowers. And with the set, I do believe that the dies will cut out these bees. I think there's 2 size bees to those. And then this one with the flowers. I love black and white cards. And then this side is that. So maybe sometimes color it and sometimes just do black and white card. Love, love, love. So that's all the goodies that I got. I mean, I think that's really a lot. Plus what I showed you a couple weeks ago. Yeah, time is flying. So I have a lot to play with, and I'll have lots of card samples to do for you. And remember, if you don't have a catalog, I will get it to you before January starts. And if you have any ideas of what you want me to do first, let me know. Otherwise, tomorrow I'm going to start stamping. And I lost all my comments. I don't know. So I can't see what you're saying. I don't know what happened to it. Maybe it's there. Nope. So I will see you on Sunday night, 8 o'clock Eastern Time for sure, with I don't know what, but it'll be something. Thanks for joining me, everybody, and I'll see you Sunday night. Good night.